Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Design Adda. So in this video, we will discuss the cooling line modeling. Okay, so this video is just for your reference and for modeling purpose. Okay, so you can practice this video for designing any cooling lines. Okay, so here I have deleted the model tree and I am creating the new sketch on the top plane. Okay, so we will sketch the model properly so that we can get the we can correctly model the product or the cooling line. Okay, so here 100 by 100 rectangle I am creating. Okay, so already here the equal dimension is applied, so 100 by 100 mm. Now I will offset this rectangle by 50 mm, and I will repeat the same process for another rectangle, and this one is the top 50. Okay, so now just take the another rectangle with offset of -50. Okay, so in this way we have created the 4 rectangle. Now we will join the 4 rectangle with this corner command like this. Select the one sketch, another sketch. Yeah, okay, so in this way we will join the 4 rectangle. Okay, so as of now I have kept the width dimension, but while you're modeling you need to sketch properly and lock the dimension. Okay, so here 4 circle at the corner I am creating just to have the profile. (100 mm) diameter. Now cut the unwanted section or unwanted line with the help of delete segment. Okay, now we are ready with the section. Okay, so fillet we will provide in the another we will take the another sketch. So in that we will provide the fillet, because if you provide here the dimensions are more and it will be complicated sketch then. Okay, so I am creating the another sketch here. So here I will project the same sketch. Okay, so I'll take the complete sketch and I will apply the fillet command here. Okay, just only fillet command for all the corners. Okay, so that we have the less dimension and the sketch will be more understandable. Okay, so we can anyone can easily understood. Okay, so here I am applying the fillet command in the separate sketch because we need the simplified sketch. So that is the only purpose. Okay, we can keep in the same sketch, but the dimension will be more and the sketch should sketch will not look properly or it is not understandable. So here we will keep the fillet with the same diameter, and for that purpose we need to use the constraint wherever it is possible, and say OK. So you can unhide the you can hide the previous sketch, and you can see this one is a updated one, or you can say the latest sketch that we want to proceed with. So now I will create the another sketch, straight line on the front plane, height of 100 mm. And I'll repeat the same process at the end also. So for that purpose I need to create the plane, and now take the reference by right click the mouse button and take the reference. So here I want the vertex here. This one is curve is selected. Now select the end end of the curve. Okay, so take the reference of that sketch, vertical sketch also, to have the same height. Okay, now I need to apply the fillet here, okay, between these two sketch. So for that purpose I am creating one sketch here, miss curve here. So with the help of this curve we can apply the fillet. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so 30 is 20 is sufficient. Now repeat the same process at this end. Okay, select the curve and select the points here, first point, second point, and this one is the third point. Okay, straight line, and add the fillet. Okay, so here I need to trim this curve at the end. So select the trim command and select the another curve. Okay, so here you can see here the extra portion is trimmed, and that vertical sketch we don't want. So for that we have hide the curve. So also we can trim the same curve at this end. So select this curve and I want this portion. Okay, so you can see the unwanted portion is. Now this one is a complete sketch, okay, or complete curve. Okay, so here, but you can see the different selections are there. Also we can see the 3 curves are there. So if I'm means here you can select the sweep command, but here you need to select the one curve at the one portion you need to select here. So I'll show you the shortcuts. So you can copy the complete curve first. Okay, just simply Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and after that you can copy here all the curves. Okay, likewise I'm selecting here, like here, select the complete curve first. Okay, this one, yes, and select the remaining curves, like here I'm selecting. Okay, so it will be in the it will be connected curve then. Okay, so you can see in the copy, so we can hide the remaining unwanted model commands, and after that we have the copy command only, and in that we have all the curves included. So here you can see, you can just sweep the section. So I am creating here 25 mm diameter of circle, and this section will be swept along this curve. Okay, so you can apply here thickness also. So 1.5 mm thickness I have applied here. So in this way we can model this cooling line. So you can practice this model so that you can understood the curve command and the proper sketch and the sweep command. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the updated videos from Mechanical Design Adda. And for if you have any query, you can write to the you can write a mail to mechanicaldesignadda@gmail.com.